Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a very happy new year, Taurus. Hope this year brings lots of happiness, success and prosperity in your life, guys. So let's start the reading now for your daily energies, for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking cards, guys, from this deck. So let's see for your daily energies. These are the cards here, guys. For your career situation, these are the cards, and for your relationship, 3 more cards. So we will open these cards as we proceed, Taurus. Let's start with your daily reading first. It's High Priestess in reverse, Queen of Wands and 5 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, you are a person who has that dedication in whatever actions that you take up. You are really devoted to that action, devoted to that path. So you are really confident about yourself, you're cheerful, and you have that strength and determination to do everything according to your likes, and you are able to handle any situation effectively. So people in your work or in your personal life appreciate you for that. They have this you are a great inspiration for them. So they see you as a good person with that capacity and skill today, guys. And I also see that in certain paths in your work or in your personal life, you are quite passionate about certain things. Maybe a new career you have chosen for yourself, or it may be with this person. You may feel romantic, passionate with them, and maybe for some of you this may be the beginning of that new career option, or it may be the beginning of this relationship. So you don't have that deep knowledge about them, but you're building on that understanding with this person, guys. That is also what I see. And maybe for some of you, there is this person coming to visit you. This may be your past person coming to visit you on this new year. So they love you and they adore you, and they would have missed you. So they are coming back to say hi, or just get back with you, tell you sorry and get back with you. So this may be your person that you loved, your past person with whom you were in separation for quite some time now. They are surprising you today, or it may be someone from your friend circle, someone with whom you lost contact for a long time. So that person may be coming back. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, for your daily reading. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. It's 4 of Wands in reverse, 9 of Pentacles, and 2 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Taurus, some kind of partnerships or some kind of collaborations are coming your way, opportunities for collaborations, or it may be a person who is working with you, who is going to help you a lot. So you will be able to proceed forward in your career with that greater potential, with that help of this person, with their friendship, with that partnership. and you are celebrating some kind of a success, maybe the beginning of a successful phase in your career, in your work, maybe some new projects or some new path that has opened for you in your work situation. So something which is helping you, or there may be someone in your work who is helping you a lot. So all that is increasing the potential of your work, and it is giving you greater success in your work. So things are going in a positive way in your career situation, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. And you are celebrating something, a beginning of some kind of new chapter in your career. So some celebration you are having today, guys. That is what I see. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Wands in reverse, and the Moon in reverse. So with these cards again in your relationship, it may mean it may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So how things are going today for you? Maybe some kind of confusion, some misunderstandings may be there in this connection, and with this person you may be quite anxious. You don't know what they will do, what they will say. So they are very fickle minded, unstable. You don't know how things will go for you in this connection. You don't have that stability, and you always are quite anxious about what will be that person's action, reaction, and you don't have that perfect understanding. That is what I see, guys. So this person, with this person you don't share that understanding, but you are still in this connection. The reasons may be, it may be destiny, guys. It may be karma. That is the reason this person is there in relationship with you. So destiny is the reason for this connection to be there, and you're progressing towards some turning point. Some turning point is coming in your life, guys, in this relationship. So something which you cannot avoid, but it is there because of how destiny wants you to go. So because of that path that is opening in front of you, so destiny is pushing you towards something. So something which you cannot avoid today, some turn of events because of destiny, but you may feel sad for that. Maybe for some of you it may even be a separation with this person, but you need not worry. Like after some time you will realize that the things that are happening, this situation is necessary for that growth, for your personal growth. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.